Okay, Vikings.
Front
Get
row.
ready to fly. Hey, Toothless, we gotta prepare for launch. They're almost here. Can't wing line without wings, though. Okay, getting into position. These wings will give you a dragon-sized view of Earth. No dragons required. Woo! Toothless, fly without wings. We're just falling. That's better.
Woo!
Chronicle nest. A chronicle nest? Okay, that's right here. Chronicle eggs explode when they hatch, so just keep moving forward.
Oh no!
No. Forward. Look, you know which way is forward, right?
That way, right?
That could have gone way worse.
That's such a
Maybe
great
you're right,
ride.
bud. Maybe there'll never be anything like flying with your best friend. As long as your best friend is a dragon. Ah, come on. Toothless, you know that doesn't wash out. Yeah. All right,
Hold on,
now,
that side up?
gather up all your axes, helmets, and shields, and prepare to exit the wind line. And watch out for